Welcome to Lesson 2, Inferring the Meaning of Words with Affixes Using Context Clues. Now, open your module and answer the What I Know part. Let us begin. Read each sentence carefully. Try to identify the meaning of the underlined word with the help of the context clues in the sentence. You will be given 5 minutes to answer this activity. What's in? Activity 1. Study this puzzle and match two words that are related to each other. The first pair of related words has been identified as an example. Were you able to match the words? What was your basis in matching the words? Are they related? Do they have something in common? Now for Activity 2, complete the paragraph by using the words given below to clarify this point. Let us read. In the puzzle, the words were matched according to a similarity or likeness in their word structure or blank. Each of the blank words being matched shares a common base word or a root word. One of the words is blank, while the other is much longer. It appears that the shorter word or the root becomes longer when something is blank to it. The new word parts may be added at the beginning or at the blank part of the word. There is something about these new added words that I should know more. What's new? Activity 1. Read the selection and take note of the underlined words. Let us read. Beauty spots in Luzon. Luzon Island has many charming places, which attract many tourists to its shores. In the mountains of northern Luzon is the legendary Banawe Rice Terraces, which is considered as one of the wonders of the world. Nearby is Baguio City, a vacation spot during the hot summer months. Baguio teems with scenic delights like the Burnham Park, Camp Chanhae, and Mount Mirador. The northern shores along Lingayen Bay boast of the 100 islands whose clear water and white sands fascinate visitors. Each island is a beauty spot in itself. The place is favorite among excursionists. Down south is Manila, which is noted for its colorful sunset, and the beautiful Rizal Park. Around Manila is the famous Corregidor and Bataan. A few hours ride southwestward is Tagaytay with its panoramic view of Taal Lake and its volcano. Southward, a 3-hour ride by car is the romantic Pagsanhan Falls. Still, farther south, a 10-hour ride by the fast express train is the historic Mayon Volcano, the volcano with the perfect cone. Truly, a traveler will not find Luzon uninteresting as it has so many attractions to offer. Let us now try activity number 2. You may have noticed some underlined words in the selection. Do you know what they mean? Choose the letter of the correct answer which has the same meaning as the underlined word. Let us read. Unbelievable, wonderful, antivirus, immortal, dishonest. What is an affix? An affix is an element that is added at the beginning of or at the end of a word to form a new word. The resulting new word is much longer and has a new, distinct meaning. We have the two types of affixes, namely as the prefix and the suffix. Let us try to know the difference of each other. An affix that is added at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. Example given, this plus comfort is equals to discomfort. While an affix that is added at the end of the word is called a suffix. Example given, build plus ing is equals to building. Remember, affixes may be added only at the beginning or only at the end of the words, or They may also be added to both the beginning and the end of the same word at the same time. Example given, inter plus nation plus al is equals to international. Another question, what is a root word? The original word that can be added with affixes is called a base or root word. Sometimes there is a need to change the spelling of the root to accommodate the affixes. For example, the base word beauty. It won't be spelled as beautiful if added with the suffix full. Instead, it changes the y to I before adding the suffix so that it becomes perfectly beautiful. New words formed by affixes also acquire a new meaning. Let's look at the given tables. To get you started, below are some of the most common affixes which carry a special meaning. If you still can't figure out the meaning of the new words through the word structure that contain affixes, there are context clues that can always help you. Context clues are the surrounding words used in the same sentence or nearby sentence that give you an idea what the unfamiliar word means. What's more? Activity 1. Study each sentence carefully. See if you can find words that contain affixes. Write the word on your answer sheet. Activity 2. Now that you can recognize affixes, figure out the meaning of the underlined word in which an affix is added. Use also other strategies such as context clues to further unlock its meaning. Write the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. What I can do. Give the meaning of the underlined words using context clues. Assessment. Directions. Below is a selection that features some words formed by affixes. These words that contain the affixes have been underlined to test you if you can figure out their meaning using context clues. Read carefully, then identify the meaning of the underlined words using the choices given below the selection. Write the letter of the correct answer. Additional activities. Directions. Scan some articles for words formed by affixes. Copy the sentence where a word formed by an affix or affixes appear and underline the word that contains the affix or affixes. Find 5 examples of such words and have them listed together with the sentence in which they appear. To help you see how you write the answers, an example is given below. Job well done! Congratulations for accomplishing your Module 2. See you again in our next class. Bye-bye!